All right, guys, once you got it mounted on, you can then reposition it however you want. You can, move your phone however you want. If you're recording or whatever you want to do, you can simply move it around at any angle that you guys would like. So yeah, overall it works great around your mirror. Gets the job done. Hey guys, welcome back. So today we got a unique rear view mirror phone mount, 360-degree full rotation. Let's go ahead and show you guys what's in the box. Pause the video if you need to read that. So yeah, let's see what's in the box. Alright guys, so this is what's in the box. You get one cell phone or device holder. You get the mirror holder. You got one extension for your device holder. Let's show you guys how that works. So on the back here, you would align this piece with this and thread it inside. Alright guys, so it goes like this. You put this piece on, thread it on, and it has, it's going to look similar to this. You can rotate that and move it all around completely, however you want. And on the back here, you can also extend this out. Press this down right here. Press that piece down. And that also extends that piece the whole way down. And you can also put it back up if you want, depending on your length. Alright, for this, it's going to be pretty simple to put it on. Alright guys, for this, thread this piece off. Place it behind the ball, and then that just threads right back on once you have that in place here. So let's do this. Pop this in. Once that's popped in, then you go ahead and reposition this and just thread this back on. Make it tight once you have it where you want, and now you guys can see the whole setup is ready to be installed. Alright guys, once you got it mounted on, you can then reposition it however you want. You can, move your phone however you want. If you're recording or whatever you want to do, you can simply move it around at any angle that you guys would like. So yeah, overall it works great around your mirror. Gets the job done.